In the theater, wishing someone good luck is bad luck. So instead, we wish them minor injuries. It makes sense backstage. Here are 8 idioms from show business. Number 1, break a leg. Never say good luck to an actor. The theater gods are listening and they are petty. Break a leg means good luck in approved backstage code. Number 2, steal the show. The lead rehearsed for months. Then the dog in Act 2 looked at the audience and it was over. Stealing the show means outshining everyone unexpectedly. Number 3, waiting in the wings. Just offstage in the shadows, the understudy mouths every line. Waiting in the wings means ready to step in the moment you are needed. Number 4, a tough act to follow. The juggler was on fire, literally, and you are up next with a poem. A tough act to follow is excellence that makes whoever's next look worse. Number 5, bring down the house. When the crowd roars loud enough, the building itself seems to shake. Bringing down the house means thrilling the audience past containment. Number 6, a one-man band. Drums on the back, cymbals between the knees, harmonica on a wire. A one-man band is one person doing every single job at once. Number 7, take a bow. The work is done, the applause is real. Bend at the waist and accept it. Taking a bow means receiving the credit you actually earned. Number 8, the curtain falls. Every show ends the same way, heavy red fabric descending slowly. When the curtain falls, the thing is over, truly, finally over. And that is 8 idioms from show business. Take a bow, you made it to the end. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you learn something new, please like and subscribe for a new idiom every single day.